Taraji, sir, the Unlike Friendship, a new book with lots of message. How do you see this book, sir?
See, not this book. Every book I see with a lot of expectation and a lot of respect because I'm a man of books.
Yeah.
मैं जो कुछ बना किताबों से बना, इसलिए जब भी कोई नई किताब होती है या किताबों के बारे में बात की जाती है, I just love it. I just adore it.
I hope you have read it.
To be very honest, I'll read it now.
Yeah.
But the kid she's like my family because my closest friend's granddaughter.
Yeah.
So it's like a family affair to me. And anything which is written, वो पढ़ा जाना चाहिए और मैं बहुत पढ़ता हूँ और इसको भी पढ़ूँगा.
Looking up.
जी जी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है आज के ज़माने में और स्पेशली आफ्टर पोस्ट कोविड व्हेन वी हैव गॉन थ्रू सच अ हॉरिबल टाइम और सच स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम्स and basically when we lost hopes, but you know life is hope. So now we have to deal with this because a lot of people are dealing with this and it should be talked. The problem is people do not talk about it. They just keep with them and keep it to themselves. But we should talk, and now these kind of the books जो लिखी जा रही हैं they are addressing this issue and that should be addressed very well.
Looking at the title, what things do you expect from this book?
Same again, I said for all titles I would expect one thing, hope. किताब जो जीवन देती है मैं, I expect life from the book.
Sir, the news is very hit up in the moment from your side.
किताब के लिए आया हूँ भाई.
Sir, amazing. What do you want to say about the title? What thing came in your mind to give this title?
So like the book talks about Down syndrome, I wanted to talk about friendship as well. And although like having like a Down syndrome friend is like unlikely, so
Yeah.
that's it.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about the Unlike Friendship?
I think it's a beautiful book. Congratulations, Anaya. I think it's so well illustrated, put together. It uses sport, football, which is something our kids are passionate about, to help with inclusion. And I've done episodes on my show, the Tara Sharma Show, on special needs and Down syndrome with a wonderful family, Pooja, Vivek and Nora. And as I was saying earlier, you know, every child is special, every child is a star. And it's wonderful how empathy is so much more and awareness, and thanks to books like this, more kids and more people are aware that you have to be inclusive with everyone.
What was the one short message you wanted to give to all the kids who were reading your book?
The main message I want to show is like basically inclusivity and like to include Down syndrome, because like a lot of people do know about Down syndrome but just not enough. And I just want like the message to be that they're not different and to basically sensitize this issue for like the future generation, because they're just like us, they're not different.
तारा, इस एज में इस तरह की बात करना कितनी बड़ी बात है? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट?
ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है. मैं तो एक माँ हूँ, मेरे बच्चे अभी एक्चुअली बड़े भी हैं और मैं एक्चुअली काफ़ी खुश हूँ कि इस जनरेशन मेरे ख्याल से अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा है. जब हम बच्चे थे तो वी डिडंट टॉक सो मच अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. इट मे नॉट बी दैट वी वर नॉट सेंसिटिव, but it wasn't as openly discussed and there wasn't as much awareness. So I think अभी तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि बच्चे इसके बारे में बात करते हैं and kids are much more aware and people like Anaya are doing great with spreading the word. So it's very good.
तारा जी, आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि आपने ये किताब पढ़ी.
जी हाँ.
कोई ऐसी बात जो काफ़ी अच्छी लगी? What was the best part of the book?
जैसे मैं अंदर कह रही थी, मेरे दोनों बच्चे फुटबॉल के बहुत बड़े मतलब फैनेटिक्स है और इस बुक में एक्चुअली फुटबॉल इज़ अ बिग थिंग दैट brings the kids together. So I really like that because I think sport और मेरा शो पे भी from Virat Kohli to Rohit Sharma to Sunil Chhetri, they've all come as guests and they've all talked about how sport really is a great leveler and it brings people together. And even with special needs, it's amazing how you can have some of the best players may have some special need and sport just brings you together. So I think it's fabulous that you've used sport.
I'm talking about the mental strength, especially in the lab industry, you know, we have a lot of videos, lot of what is the thing you do to mentally strengthen or mentally fit? I mean,
So I personally, everyone's different, each to their own. Firstly, I think Down syndrome is a genetic condition. It's not actually a mental illness. It's a different, there's a chromosome, one extra chromosome if I'm not mistaken, right? So I think firstly that it's not a mental illness in that sense. But having said that, it's special needs. But for me personally, when it comes to things like staying calm and all, I do a lot of yoga, I run. But I scream and shout at my children all the time. So it's not like I'm always calm. I think that's part of being parents and part of loving them as well. So I don't think any of us are perfect. We all do our, we have our good moments and not so great. But yeah, I think sport helps me a lot. So again, I like it.
OTT platform has also made web series and they have female-oriented shows like concentrating on just female. Any web series, any OTT platform you look forward to work with?
Actually, I'm just doing Zoya's film, The Archies. So I'm doing that. It's not a big role, but it's very good fun. So that's on Netflix. So that will come next year.
Thank you so much and all the
Thank
best.
Launch you have came here, the Unlike Friendship. The title looks very good. What do you want to say about it?
See, I just think कि mental illness is a very taboo subject. हमारे देश में इस विषय में ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ पिटी क्योंकि हर बच्चा अपने माँ बाप को प्यारा होता है एंड सम पीपल हैव स्पेशल कंडीशंस दैट नीड स्पेशल अटेंशन. तो आई थिंक अनाया ने ये किताब लिखकर एक ऐसी बात हमारे सामने रखी है जो हमें सीरियसली लेनी पड़ेगी एंड फॉर दैट आवर सोसाइटी विल बी बेटर, इट विल बी मोर इंक्लूसिव एंड यंग चिल्ड्रन विल गेट द इनकरेजमेंट दे डिजर्व. तो ऐसी और बातें सामने आनी चाहिए मैं समझता हूँ और ये एक शुरुआत है. आई थिंक जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते हैं और ऐसी बातें आएगी तो बस यही चाहते हैं.
Sir, have you read the book?
I have read the book.
What do you think was the best part of the book?
I think, it's really the message. I think there are two parts of the book, right? One is the illustrations because this is a children's book.
Right.
है ना. तो बच्चों के लिए जब किताब होती है तो डायग्राम से बेटर आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि मेरी भी एक छोटी सी बच्ची है 4.5 साल की. अगर मैं उसको ये किताब पढ़ता हूँ आज, अगर इसमें इलस्ट्रेशंस नहीं होंगे तो वो इतना ध्यान नहीं देगी. लेकिन क्योंकि इसमें इलस्ट्रेशंस है, इफ आई रीड द बुक टू हर शी विल पे अ लॉट मोर अटेंशन एंड वंस आई हैव हर अटेंशन then I can get a message across which otherwise I may not be able to get. तो I think ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया उन्होंने, बहुत ज़रूरी काम किया.
So after the success of Shark Tank, there are so many people who look up to you. How do you see the response of the Shark Tank?
I think the show has done very well. It's exceeded everybody's expectations. We are very happy with it. And I think उससे भी ज़रूरी बात ये है कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है हमारे देश में, इसको जो बढ़ावा मिला है ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको रोज़गार ही नहीं है, वो ये सोचते हैं मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ. और जब ये सोच पैदा हो जाती है, जब विश्वास आदमी में आ जाता है तो फिर वो पहाड़ भी हिला सकता है. तो ये बड़ी बात है.
सर आफ्टर शार्क टैंक बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स आपको फॉलो करते हैं, तो मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. क्या मैसेज शेयर करना चाहेंगे जो यंगस्टर्स आपको देख रहे हैं?
देखिए, मेंटल हेल्थ पर बात यही कहूँगा मैं कि ये बहुत सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है, लेकिन सबकी वीकनेस सबका स्ट्रेंथ होता है. तो अगर आपको लगे कि आपकी कोई ऐसी मेंटल वीकनेस है तो उसको अटेंशन दीजिए, एक्सपर्ट को दिखाइए. हर प्रॉब्लम का हल होता है और जितनी जल्दी इसको समझेंगे उतनी जल्दी इसको आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे. मैंने भी ऐसे किया, आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. मेरी फ्लाइट है. लव यू ऑल.